What's up, YouTubers? What do we say? Before you do anything,
before we get started, click it open. Notifications.
Give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you are interested in knowing crazy stuff you can do with your kids that is more fun than spending £100 on being indoors. It's raining, it's not good weather, but it doesn't matter. You can still go and have fun outside. Yeah. And we are going to today. We're going to show you how. And here we have Hansel and Gretel's cottage in the woods. Come here, look at this. We've got some washing that's definitely not getting dry today. But how cute is that? Love it. With loads of little toys outside for when they lure the kids in. Middle of these, right? So they have the names of all the mountains on them, and if you look through the hole, you'll see that mountain. So look through one of the holes, April. Look through that hole. Yep. If there was visibility, this is Glitterfall, that one. And this one is Triffin, which you were going to go up, but well, good job we did it because we can't see anything. That's that mountain.
Of course.
Pen.
I'm gonna do that. I'll be doing that.
That is sunshine, ladies and gentlemen. A tiny spot of sunshine on the top of that mountain. And we forgot suntan lotion. So we're going to see the lovely Ogwen Lake in a minute. But just thinking how well this young lady does now, walking on her own. She doesn't hold my hand. She's needed to for so long. And look at her go. It makes me very, very happy. Proper little hiker now. So I haven't explained what we're doing today. Today we're doing something called Idwall staircase and the continuation. I've done it dry and they were really good handholds, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay to do wet. And the reason why I thought it would be a good hike to do today is visibility, as you can see, not very good, and therefore I don't want to be doing a climb where I can't see all the rock formations, because no one wants to go the wrong way, do they? And why else do I want to do it? Because I know the route, and so I know how long it's going to take. Apparently got swarms of horrible flies, like, can you see them? I don't know. But 8 was not overly impressed. That's it, we just got to walk past the lake and then we'll be fine. Now, I think it's beautiful, but you can't really see on the camera. You can see like all the waterfalls coming down and everything. So our climb today is going to start in this crack. It's going to go here and it's going to finish up at the top. Reagan, do you feel like what I said when I looked at it? I was like, what, I'm going to do that without a rope? Does it look like, what the hell? I think so. So there's a bit of a waterfall running down this. It's definitely a lot wetter than before. So here we are on Idwall staircase.
Yep.
He's going to have 3 points of contact at all times. It's a bit slippery today, but how are you feeling? Does it feel alright?
Yeah.
It's good hand grips, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, here's Reagan. Let's climb it up. I'm so proud of him.
Yeah.
Right, nice, Reagan. Keep going up.
What you can do is cut your day short.
Yeah.
Try climbing this beautiful waterfall. Have loads of people video you. She's sort of screaming, sounding like she's being killed or murdered. And go and find something else to do. Woo! So this is the same day, trying to find some adventures. April's there. We are now having a look to see if we can find the bomb shelter. So quite excited. There's our little van. It's a dead end road, and fingers crossed, yeah, we'll get there, because we couldn't find it last time I looked. April, you hopeful we're going to get there and find it?
Totally.
Me too. Me too. Can you remember what we're looking for?
Tunnels.
Tunnels, that's right. What is it?
Trespassers will be prosecuted.
Excellent.
Warm and fuzzy vibes.
Oh look, here you go. Here's an entrance. Shh.
What is prosecuted?
Prosecuted, go to jail.
What?
Lots of barbed wire, which tells me that people want to be here. So it would suggest maybe it's somewhere here, but is this the main road? It's not a main road, that's for sure. Right, so we got it wrong again. Okay, so we're excited because we are closer. There's Munchkin making her way. Just keep waving to her until she waves back. It's Dragon standing on a rock because he can't do anything else with his time. So, wrong road, different path. Go to the end of the road. There's a path to your left. We found the path on your left that was on the end of your road. Also, here we go down the mystery path. This is over the road, and this is the big hole. Can you see the big hole? That's got to be a big hole, surely. Is it? There's an entrance. They're air raid. That's where you'd go, apparently. Let's keep going, let's see. Here we enter. We enter. Woohoo! Wonder if that's it.
Woohoo!
What's that the start of? Is that the start of the tunnels? Hell yeah! So we just found a door. Looks like there's another door here. Don't fall down there because that might be a hole. Is this? Oh my god, another one. Oh, we're going to be here forever. This is amazing. Okay, there's loads of doors, Dragon.
Yeah.
What is it? And the door, just a random door. Amazing, I love it. Into the light. Be careful. Don't fall down.
It's cold in here.
It is cold. You can see more. Your eyes will adjust. Oh, it's so echoey. Oh my god.
It is.
Beep. Beep up.
Echo.
So the trains would have come into here, would they? Dun dun dun. Oh, this is exciting. Shine your light on it. Whoa! That's full of water. Is it a lift?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. Go upstairs. Are you okay? Whoa, this is so cool.
This is amazing.
Look at that. It's massive. That's the top of the lift, isn't it? Should we go and look at the lift again?
Yeah.
So come this way. All right then.
Okay then. Everyone came.
I want to go and see the lift though. It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
So big. So what did they used to do in here?
This must have stored the bombs here.
Oh, Dragon, what's that one? Nothing. Nothing. And this one. Oh, well, let's listen. Can you hear that?
And that's the echo, someone.
That's what it would have been like in the war, anyway.
That's the echo.
Yeah, shine it, shine it. Wow, that's so cool. Look, it's still got the wires.
What's the point in that?
You can stand in it. Don't stand in it. That's so cool. Don't look down. It's another elevator. How strange. Why barricade these two walls up as well? I feel the temptation to explore the hole that we found. Go.
Hello! Really?
Blair Witch Project.
Oh, listen.
I'll leave you to it. It's more fun that way. Put your leg through. Come on, yoga. Hands up. I've got my hands up high on that stuff. It's running all under this. Look, it's like a waterfall. What is it? What would all this be? It's all pipes, isn't it?
That's how I survived.
Oh my God! It is. It's a cave. We'll carry on down. Oh, we're going to end outside. Look. Oh, slow down, Kate. You're getting overexcited. Look. I am going to probably look at that cave though. That looks well fun. Easy. Well done.
Oh, good, baby.
Wow! How on earth are we coming outside?
I know it's a tunnel one bit, but outside. Mama, what are you doing?
Are you okay?
This has a Jurassic World through it.
It looks like that, though, doesn't it? Do, 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 do. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, this would have been an elevator.
Do you reckon?
Look, there's wires there, probably. I don't know, it might not have been. Look, that one.
What do you think, April? It's a bit
Cool.
slippery, that. That's so cool. Just come through there. Just goes out into this wilderness. Why? Where would you go next? Look at it, it's so sheer. Unbelievable.
April, come on.
She likes water. Dad, I think she didn't like.
I just think it's amazing. I'm not sure. I'm sure we'll find it. There it is. The hole.
Look at it, there.
Do you want to go in?
I'll do it.
You're going in next, are you?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
You're going.
I'll be quiet.
You're going.
I'll go
You want to? Do you want to go? Nice wet butt, April. I'll go in here. Oh, God. Oh, sorry.
I don't think we can come in.
We don't need to do this. Sounds like a waterfall, doesn't it? Do you want me to go first?
No, I get.
Oh, you stuck in the face with a stick.
I did what? Sorry. Who knows what this one's like? Oh, maybe this doesn't go very deep. Oh. No. Yeah? What? You found another hole? Have you? What has he found? This might be. Ooh, this might be the one that. Why? But why? Oh. Why did they block it?
Through there.
Wouldn't that be good?
Can you crawl through?